G'day, I'm Dr. Friday. I'm the host of In Your Prime and I'm your money doctor. At this time of the year, I'm your tax doctor as well. And I'm standing in front of a very beautiful church that was built in 1876 here in Franklin, Tennessee. But the reason I'm standing here is to talk more about one of our pamphlets, and we're going to be telling you about all kinds of different professions, but this one is about the clergy. We all know there's some very specific tax deductions you get when you're a member of the clergy, right? I mean, you get to know all kinds of things, but there are some very special things. One, have you chose to opt out of the Social Security Administration, or have you decided to stay in? If you decide to opt out, that means you don't pay Social Security and you handle your own taxes when it comes to that, right? But a lot of people didn't know they could even opt out. And you have to do it within the first year of your tax deduction. And you have to file a specific form. So make sure you're filing a 4361 or a 4029. You need to make sure you file these so you know what's going on. Again, if you're in this, you also have parsonage. Almost everybody that's in this particular industry has this. And what is parsonage? It's basically a housing allowance, but it's the only industry I know that you can actually get something like this. I mean, this is great. How many places can you actually buy a home and they pay you for not just the mortgage or property tax, but the entire maintenance of that home? You get to deduct off your taxes. If you have more money left over, then it becomes a taxable income. But the parsonage part is not subjected to self-employment tax. Again, what a great way to put more money in your pocket. Also, you have to make sure that you're paying your quarterly taxes, because many people in this industry don't pay their quarterly taxes. And if you don't, you're going to get hit with penalty and interest. If you want to know more about how to do this, how to make sure you're putting more money in your pocket, if you're part of the clergy or an ordained minister, you need to make sure you're talking to your tax person, because these are great ways for you to put more money in your pocket. Go to our website, get the free one, stay tuned, keep watching In Your Prime, and we're going to keep telling you how to put more money in your pocket.